Good morning, I'm Scout with Bushcraft. We're going to be talking today about whistles. If you're lost, this will save your life, providing you know how to use this. There's two types of whistles, a peelless and not peelless whistle. The not peelless whistle simply doesn't rattle. These don't rattle. I got a whistle here on my compass, which is readily accessible. Again, it doesn't rattle. Okay, it's basic communication. It evolved like this, but that wasn't loud enough for some people. They wanted something a little bit louder, so they went and made something. That's not as loud as this one gets. But you want one as loud as you can get it. You want one that's indestructible and that you can find, so I prefer orange. The sound is measured in decibels. It's just a measure of sound. The louder you get, the farther you're heard, and there's limits to this device. The limits are distance. It's only good for a mile. Background noises. If you got airplanes flying around or storming out, it's night out or day out, those all have effects on how far you're going to be heard. Also, if I'm trapped or confined in a space, this might not do me as much good, but I'm going to blow on it anyway, see if I can get someone's attention and get help. Which brings me to the second part of this video. Universal signals. One blast. That tells people I am here. Two blasts. I heard the signal the first time and I understand where you are. Or I'm just simply acknowledging that I heard your first blast. Now the third one I'm not going to do is help. That is 3 short blasts. Well, people ask me, Scout, what about Morse code? We go 3 long, 3 short, and 3 long. Well, that's all fine dandy, but most people don't know Morse code. It's just repeated blasts. After 3 or more blasts, it just gets redundant. You'll be able to be heard, and people might know your location, but really, if you're blowing the whistle 3 or more times, I know you need help. That's pretty universal. Morse code is very technical. If I'm on a ship or on a plane, and I'm doing radio signals with different radio messages and typing many letters, if I see SOS in a message, it's very distinctive. There's nothing else like it. It doesn't mean save our souls or save our ship. It's just very distinctive. That's why it was introduced, and that's why it's used. But for today's basic knowledge, you're not gonna have to know something as it's good to know SOS, yeah. But the universal codes for whistle is 1, 2, and 3 blasts. That's about as basic I can get it. When to use it? When you're in distress, or if you want to mark your location, or if you want some people to know where you are, or if you just simply want to acknowledge that somebody has blown a whistle and you want to acknowledge it. That's all I got.